thing. It's 100% preventable. Today, I'll show you how to back up your files like a pro, even if you're a total beginner. No expensive software, no confusing tech talk. By the end, your files will be safe forever, even if your PC explodes. Okay, maybe not explode, but close. So first, what even is a backup? Simple, it's a copy of your important stuff stored somewhere else. Think of it like having a spare house key. If you only have one copy, and it's gone, you're stuck outside. Your files need that spare key too. There are two types of backups. 1. Local backup, saving to a USB drive or external hard disk. 2. Cloud backup, saving to online storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Most pros use both, because if your laptop dies and your USB gets lost, your cloud still saves you. Let's start with the easy one, local backup. Grab a USB or external hard drive. Even a 32GB one is fine to start. Step 1, plug it in. Step 2, open your documents, pictures, or any folder you care about. Step 3, right-click, copy, paste it into your USB drive. That's it. You just backed up your files. Now, if you want to make it automatic, use the Windows tool called File History or Backup and Restore. It quietly copies new files every few hours. No manual work. Mini story. I once helped a student who lost her entire school project before finals. Now she runs file history daily, and never worries again. Alright, but what if your USB breaks or you forget it at school? That's where cloud backup saves you. Google Drive gives you 15GB free. OneDrive, built into Windows 10-11, gives you 5GB free. Dropbox, around 2GB. To back up, just drag your folder into Google Drive or OneDrive. Done. If your laptop dies, you can access your files from any device, anywhere. Pro tip: create a folder called Safe Backup inside your drive and keep your top priority stuff there. Photos, school notes, certificates. Mini analogy. Think of it as putting your treasures in a digital locker that can't burn down. Now, here's a simple rule used by IT pros, the 3-2-1 backup rule. 3 copies of your files, 2 different storage types, like USB plus cloud, 1 copy stored off-site, that means not in the same place as your PC. Example, copy 1, on your laptop. Copy 2, on USB drive. Copy 3, on Google Drive. That's the safest combo. Even if your laptop gets stolen or your hard drive dies, your files are still alive. Question for engagement. Do you have at least 2 copies of your important files right now? Be honest. Comment yes or not yet. 3-2-1 rule. Triple protection. Okay, final tip. Make your backup automatic. Because let's be real, if it's manual, you'll forget. Use free tools like Google Drive for desktop, auto-syncs your folders, OneDrive backup, built into Windows 11, or even software like Ease US To Do Backup free. Set it once, and it runs in the background forever. Your files will quietly duplicate themselves every day, like digital bodyguards. Imagine waking up, spilling tea on your laptop, and not panicking, because your files are already safe. Feels good, right? So, let's recap. Step 1, know what a backup is, son and nom.
Step 2, local backup to USB or drive. Step 3, cloud backup for extra safety. Step 4, use the 3-2-1 rule. Step 5, automate it and relax. Your files deserve better than "I hope nothing happens." Protect them today. Your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech guides. And hey, watch this next video on hidden Windows settings you should turn on right now. It pairs perfectly with your new backup plan.